In this video, you will learn how to automate Draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. Describe your diagram clearly to ChatGPT. Start by typing a detailed description of your diagram. Structure, such as flowcharts, swim lanes, or org chart. Ask ChatGPT to generate an XML code. Request ChatGPT to convert your description into a Draw.io compatible code, which defines the diagram structure. Copy the code provided. Once ChatGPT provides the XML code, copy the entire block without any changes. Open Draw.io. Go to Draw.io and select Files, Import from Device, or the XLM. Paste and upload the XML code. Paste the code directly or upload it from a file generated by ChatGPT. Edit and customize the diagram. Once loaded, the diagram will appear on the canvas, where you can freely move shapes, adjust styles, and redefine the layout. Now you know how to automate Draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.